Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the latest rumors surrounding Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Although the official launch is about 6 months away, leaks and rumors are already painting a clearer picture of what's to come. Recently, Android headlines reported intriguing findings from an IMEI database, while the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra have made appearances. There's been no sign of the Galaxy S25 Plus. The standard S25 is identified as SMS 931B/TS, while the S25 Ultra boasts multiple variants: SMS 938B, SMS 938 Youth, SMS 938N, and SMS 9380. Each variant suffix indicates its intended region, with B for global, U for USA, and N for South Korea. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more details about the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung's upcoming flagship promises to bring exciting updates and improvements, and we'll be here to keep you informed every step of the way.